you deal.
Hi there, y'all. It's your girl, Edible D, author of the Happy Chef Cannabis Cookbook, collaboration including Be Real of Cypress Hill's album as a free download. And welcome to my Patreon how-to series of Happy Chef Live How to Cook with Cannabis. Today's recipe is Mary's Melody, a veggie melody I infused with my balsamic vinaigrette recipe found in my The Happy Chef Expert Cannabis Cookbook. I used one of the units of the infused olive oil from my last video to make this dressing special for today. Be sure to check my last video and get the printable version of this recipe on my website, edibled.com, as well as my Happy Chef's extraction methods and formulas. Make sure you support with a like, share, comment your questions, and above all else, get happy.